In this video, we'll use ChatGPT to practice SQL queries. In particular, we want it to act as a SQL terminal, which serves a fictional database. This is a PostgreSQL database, and it contains the following tables: products, users, orders, suppliers. We will be typing SQL queries, and ChatGPT will need to respond as the SQL terminal would do. No explanations, just a reply with a table in a single code block and nothing else. So the first query is, of course, select all from the products table where supplier name is not null. Of course, we didn't create a table prior to typing this query, but we could have done. Otherwise, you will have to sort of imagine a table, very abstract, and it will decide itself how many products it will have. But in this particular case, it is 4 products. All of them are, I believe, fruits. But it's good enough to showcase the capabilities of ChatGPT. And our next query is select top 10 from products. And then I specifically have done a mistake, so a typo. Instead of orders by price, I'm saying order by price. And ChatGPT, being a language model, ignores the error. It ignores my typo and offers the output. However, it doesn't always behave like that. Sometimes it does say, we have a typo in the query. Can you correct it, please?